Hey guys, how's it going? This is Gerald Harris, the creator of the Real Estate Investing Tips for Beginners YouTube channel, Facebook group, Facebook page. The list goes on and on, right? So today I want to go ahead. I want to talk about what is a real estate bird dog. Some people refer to it as a real estate bird dog. Some people call it a property finder. I heard one gentleman, I believe he's out of Mississippi, he refers to them as property sniffers, believe it or not. So, what is a real estate bird dog? A real estate bird dog is someone who goes out and scouts deals. In other words, this is someone who goes out and finds deals for a real estate investor. Now, how do you find these deals? You can find these deals multiple ways. Obviously, you can cold call, you can text message. One of the more popular ways to find deals from a real estate bird dog perspective is to go ahead and go out and do something called driving for dollars. So what you're essentially doing is driving around your local area looking for deals or symptoms of deals that look like a seller may be motivated to sell. So when you're driving around in your local area, what you're looking for are properties that look older, beat up, deferred maintenance. Maybe the grass is too high. Maybe there's a beat up car in the driveway. Maybe the door is boarded up. The front door is boarded up. Maybe the windows are broken. The list goes on and on. So what you're looking for is essentially property that looks like a fixer-upper or some type of deferred maintenance, old roof or whatever it is. That looks like it needs work. You write the address down. And the objective really of the bird dog is this. Should that investor go ahead and move forward to purchase that deal, what the investor will do is go ahead and give that bird dog a fee, a finder's fee. That could be $500, that could be $1,500, that could be $1,000, that could be $2,000. Just depends on the deal.